In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Zoho Books to create a general ledger report. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or a seasoned user, understanding how to access and manipulate your financial data is essential for maintaining accurate records and making informed business decisions. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Zoho Books. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. For those who might not be familiar, Zoho Books is an online accounting software that helps manage your finances, and it's packed with features that can simplify many of your accounting processes. Once you're in, look towards the navigation menu. Your destination is the Reports section. This is where Zoho offers a variety of detailed insights about your financials. Hover over it and can click to enter the section. Here you'll find numerous reports catering to different aspects of your accounting needs. Today, our focus will be on generating a general ledger report. In the search bar within the Reports section, type General Ledger. This will quickly filter the list and show the report we're after. The General Ledger is a foundational tool for your accounting requirements, providing comprehensive details of every financial transaction that your business makes. Have a look over the details Zara provided. It's always good to familiarize yourself with the layout and types of information displayed in these reports. Once the General Ledger report appears, click on it to open. At this point, you can start customizing the report to fit the needs of your specific query or business analysis. Zoho gives you the flexibility to filter dates, select specific accounts, or adjust other parameters to tailor the ledger report. Don't rush through this part. It's useful to think about what information is most relevant to your current objective, be it for tax purposes, a periodic review, or a specific audit trail. Taking the time to set the right filters will save time and offer insights that are directly applicable to your needs. Once you have your report looking just the way you want, you might consider exporting this data to Excel or PDF for a more convenient offline analysis or for sharing it with your accountant or business partners. Look for the export option, usually depicted by a download icon, and choose your preferred format. With those steps completed, you're done. That's how easily you can create a general ledger report on Zoho Books. Navigating through such processes may seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll become more efficient in managing and analyzing your financial records. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.